welcome to our mini vlog. I am Maricho Moralde.
And I am Jana Marie Tukong.
And we are the...
Oh, good fam!
And we are here at the...
Marshland. Sote? Forest.
of...
Pungtod. Barangay Pungtod.
And what are we doing here?
Ano?
I don't know.
Yes. Hindi namin alam na paano kami napadpad dito. Nalaman ko na lang na kami lang dalawa ni Maro. At wala na sila.
Uy, gogi!
Sibo ko pala dyan.
Hello, they're not still here. Ang sanay oras. Mga pa may sa Transect 2. Tapos creepy. Why? I know you belong to the...
Hindi mayambago?
Mayambago. That's Mayambago. Naanasad mi diri sa Marshland Forest and Rican Duck. No, it's not Rican Duck actually. Kay nangawayag among coordinates. Kami sad nangawaya na sad. And it's okay. Because Jana's here with us. And Jana's good at strategy. Yes, that's why we import her.
Wala kong chocolate.
That's why we import her, guys. Mag-hi ka naman, magsalita ka.
Hi, guys.
Baka sabihin nila yung hostage ka namin.
Wala ko ngayong hostage.
Friends. So, nandito na nga kami. May motor, guys. Patungong din yung motor. Hi, Jana! Jana! Let's go.
Balik mo!
Ang bida.
Ako good ang bida guys sa ilang study.
Thank you.
Thank you. Tama na!
Ikaw pa is kabida. Kanya ka pinakabida. Best and this is si Koan, si Christian ag si Rosie.
Christian Banson?